Our communication roadmap for parents is for you who want to invest in your parent-child communication because you value a strong connection between your child and yourself. In this video, I'd like to give an overview of all the digital resources available in this roadmap. First of all, begin with the 2 free digital resources titled Communicate to Connect Definitions and Communicate to Connect 7 Steps. It's the perfect introduction to this roadmap, as it gives most of the important definitions and steps to get you going. The next step would be the book titled The Ultimate Conversation Companion for Parents, Volume 1. This book will give you all of the detail that you need to advance further in this roadmap. And then thirdly, it is the book with the same title but volume 2. Volume 2 contains more than 40 conversation guidelines that will enable you to have successful conversations with your child. It is basically the implementation of all of the information, all the knowledge and insight that you've gained thus far. Lastly, our very popular pack of conversation cards for families. More than 50 conversation cards containing complete conversations that a family can have, with a very exciting games option if you want to turn it into a game. This pack of cards is ideal as a replacement for the Volume 2 book, or otherwise if you want to alternate between the Volume 2 book and this pack of cards, which is actually our recommendation. As you enjoy this journey, just remember, in healthy relationships, it is all about connection.